to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about the different things that are happening to her currently, and it's a very touching situation. And we should be more mindful at times how we're dealing with people because we never know what they're going through. Well, Marcia, at this time, she's saying that she's having a bit of heart palpitations, and it's caused mostly by having a bit of stress in your life, or she's referring to the attacks that she's had over the past couple of years. Although she stated that this was before she had these problems before, you know all of this, but the stress would bring those palpitations on. So she's, speaking about that or palpitation, she's talking about the attacks that she's been having and other things. So guys, go ahead and go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, or whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. And please, people, be careful and be vigilant. Sometimes we don't know what these people are going through. And we see the other day, even Miss D came out and she spoke about her stress that she's having as well, because of social media. We have to be very mindful about the stress that we are basically causing these people as they go through day-to-day life. Remember, we're all human. And even though they're celebrities, they're people that, are well known, we have to ensure that we are taking in consideration their mental capacity, and also not only that, but that their physical, because mental strain can cause physical hurt. So we have to ensure that we are taking that into consideration as well. We have to be nice. We're not all going to agree at times, but we have to ensure that we're doing the right thing. The right thing. So guys, go catch the video and like, share, comment, subscribe. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day today as you approach the other half of the year. Have a great one now.
And 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I said, no, 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 no. No, no, no. This can't work. This cannot work. This is no make no sense. I come out every single day, hear people talking about you. No, me have to run to God. God have to be my rescue. The best place to be is right under that tent where me can throw fire right back on the enemy camp. You understand? But no, me see someone out there, as I decree and I declare over my enemy them. Me not afraid to fling stone upon them and fire. And even send death upon them. Because the Bible says, if you ask and you shall receive, and seek and you shall find. Because if you listen, if you watch the enemy, if you watch the Bible and you see how back in the days with the Bible business, you will know said God not have the time to play with enemy. And if you know how many enemy you get burned. So I know so sometimes me come out and I say things and me not take it back, because if you don't want to hear, you will feel. You can't pray anything back for me, but you not gonna catch me, because guess what? I'm me the one who's out there being provoke me to rot. If you're coming to distract me, I am going to block you. If you're coming to distract me with foolishness, I'm going to block you. You understand? If you're coming to distract me, I am going to block you. You understand? All right. 24-hour timeout, because I don't have no time. If you're coming to distract me, No time for foolishness. Okay. So my mission is to come out of that camp with God give me a word. My life will turn around for the best, and that I will become evangelist. So me going there for a purpose. As you can see the preacher in the end of the video when it get dark, the preacher called me up because I had went up the night before. And she called me up to speak to me, and she said she went home and she had to war for me. Because I know there's a lot of enemy out there attacking me. Wanna plant me up, wanna dash me this, wanna dash me this. But true God is with me, wanna can't do me nothing. I mean no say the preacher pick up. That she have to war for me. And she saw the palpitation that I've been having. Because I cover my clothes. So that's why I know so she's a real woman of God. Because she never knows that me go put her heart monitor today. Because I told you guys. But the palpitation that I've been having, just to make it clear, I have been having this palpitation for about over 15 years or more. But the doctor told me that I have the heart like the athletic heart, the athletic rhythmia in a one way. So that's why the doctor put me on mopofferol over 15 years now. So nothing no really wrong with my heart more than sometimes some people have this heartbeat rhythm like with fast sometimes, and a lot of people have it. You can go and check it out on YouTube. I am sure a lot of you guys here tonight, maybe one and two of you guys experience palpitations. Some of these palpitations are bring on by anxiety. It could be something from stress in your life. I want to know some under a lot of attack. So whenever you're under a lot of stress in many different ways in your life, and cussing and just having these people talking about you and the hungerness and whatever, you will feel, because back in the days when it came on me, I was having some issues. My back problem was bothering me. Doctor couldn't find. So with that now, it's anxiety take me over. When I had the back problem, the bad back problem where me had some pinched nerve and all kind of something. So just to make that clear. So this is not a first time. And if it was a serious heart problem, I would have shortness of breath. I would have swelling of my ankles, different things. I want to know so me can chat, me can cuss, me can dance, me can sing. I don't experience nothing like that. I don't experience no anxiety. I don't experience no lightheaded. I don't experience nothing like that other than sometimes when me lay down on my left side, it flattered, or when me eat certain food, me know say it will happen. But God will take away that. And me know say because also I have gained weight. And also is a possibility because I don't take my medication per time. And then it used to the medication over all these years. It's not working anymore. So it's a possibility them have to take me up for the 5% and give me 10. Because the doses that I'm taking over the years, I'm never so fat. So what happened, I think, is because I gain weight in your stomach, you gain weight. When you lay down your heart, push up a little bit. And I take aspirin. I take aspirin whenever I feel it. And whenever I take aspirin and feel it, it goes over. So it's not something that it's an ongoing situation for the whole entire day. Maybe for the day, I may have like maybe like 2 or 3. But nevertheless, early prevention is better than cure. So is there anybody out there that experience palpitation or heart flutter? So I have been seeing cardiologists for over 10 years or more. I go doctor every year. I do a stress test. I do Me do the trees the one we put on the machine. You drink up me drink a ink. Me drink the ink and then put me on the 360 machine where rotate your heart and you see everything. So they had they didn't find anything more than they said, sometimes people just have that. And some of those things come from anxiety, stress. And of course, Marcia is under a lot of stress. If me have to come out every day and I cuss the enemy them, that's stressful. You understand? If you have to come out every single day and argue with people, you develop stress and self consciously. You have some of us will deal with things inside. You understand? You have things not going your way, business slow, everything. You have to spend up all your money where you can't see it, where you're supposed to be saved for emergency day. Those things will bring on palpitations. But thank God me not having where me having shortness of breath is just pulp. And as I said before, this is an ongoing situation for over 15 years. And as I said before, I do not take my medication constant. Because I don't want to live on the medication for whenever it happens. And whenever it happens, maybe is when me stressed out. You understand? So all I have to do is, I believe, is to make sure I lose the weight. I take the pressure off my heart with the weight something. And make sure I go to my doctor. So the doctor give me the monitor because they based on the EKG that they took, they didn't see nothing. They didn't see any abnormality or anything that will put me in the risk. My oxygen level, everything is fine. My pulse, my heart rate is perfect. My blood pressure is perfect. So they didn't see no reason to give me any extensive tests or even try to hurry up to give me any cardiologist tests. So they're not going to do nothing until they put me on a monitor. And the monitor is for a month. So if they had seen anything serious, they would have scheduled me for an early appointment, but they don't see anything. So this is probably something that is coming from a self-consciousness. You understand? And so me have to wear the monitor for a month, which is it I don't like it. Because they're right in my upper top of my breast where me have to wear clothes so where people can see it. I don't like it. Thank God it's a small one like a beeper. Me have to change it every 3-4 days, the beeper. Me have one little phone with me. Thank God it's not the old fashioned one where they may give me back. The one with the stringy. That the one with hook up with a little piece of, with a little something then where you stick on their breast. That the one they had that one in the past. And this one is more sophisticated. This one is a cell phone. You get a cell phone and you get the monitor pierced down in your chest. Whenever you get a palpitation, you press the button go beep, you go in your phone and you tell the phone where you feel. Then it comes up and it will ask you if you have dizziness, if you have lightheaded, if you just have a flutter or a pulse. And then you press it. And then it sends the data to the doctor office. So they have a company that is monitoring me. You understand? So this I have to wear for a month. If they see where the heart rate is fluttering and the heart is not going up, they will give me a call and tell me to go to the hospital. That is how this is. This is how this is. So thank God for America that early prevention is better than cure. One of the reasons why I'm talking like this because I want to educate people out there. My page is a page to also to enlighten. This is not about privacy. When it comes to things like this, it's not about privacy because this is something that can help people. And early prevention is better than cure. At least you know what to do to reverse things, to get medication and whatever. And this is what America is all about. Because a lot of people, I'm sure, in third world country, even same place in America, yeah, probably going through the same thing unoccasionally. And they don't even have the money or the insurance to get things like this done. So thank God for America. Anxiety can cause it. I have it 2 years. Yes, so oh, you have it 2 years. Okay, you have it 2 years now, Leo. And so it doesn't mean because it pulls your heart. Because I'm tell you, say, me have it over 15 years ago. 15 years. Me was having it bad, Leo, back in the days. But then the time there I was going through my back problem when my own first started. And that's why they give me the blood pressure calm up of a roll. That one, that's a 5 milligram. So through me now, through I've been taking it, and the doctor said my heart come like a them athletic people, like that. Them say a lot of athletic people will get it to the palpitations or the fluttering or whatever it is, and so forth. But me make sure say me go cardiologist every year. That's the thing with me. I go to cardiologist every year. But since I came to Hartford, Connecticut, I have not been to none. Oh yes, I've been to one. I've been to one up I've been to one up by the hospital by him whatever but him never put me he never give me a test. That's they never him been to one in St. Francis Hospital 2 years about a year and a half ago. But him never give me no test. Him just test my heart. Him say him never had to give me nothing because he can't see it. He can't the blood work. Him said he didn't have to give me anything to go on no machine and do not because the blood work will tell me. So they took some blood work and they came back and they told me that nothing never wrong. And then the time they was taking aspirin, I didn't take me off aspirin. Because you have a blood pressure, you take a little aspirin now and then to make sure whatever it is. So him never give me nothing. So I haven't had a stress test in a long time. So, but me going to go to a private doctor and schedule one. I am not going to go to the clinic or the hospital. I am going to see my own cardiologist to make sure because I have been doing that exercise for over 10, 15 years now. I have been since 2012 I have been doing it. You know how many years that? I think 2010. No man, since 2009 or 10 I have been doing that test. When me go up on the treadmill and me always pass all the test them. Once you have me love fit test. Because me love to do that. We go up on the treadmill, hook up on all of the little stringy thing them and run. Fast, and this and whatever and do whatever. Since I came to Hartford and I go to my cardiologist over St. Francis Hospital, them not give me nothing. Them say it says all right. So I haven't been to one in 2 years until they so I saw the palpitation. So me saw the palpitation coming back like about maybe 2 months ago. 2 to 3 months ago. But through me used to it, bother me. Because through me a woman, me know when to go a doctor. And I like something where me I get anxiety, me I get a cold chill or or me I feel any pain. That's why I'm in a rush. That's why I'm in a pain in mind. So normally when I feel that I just take a aspirin. If it's like that. So anybody out there I wish me say, oh, our heart she might man if she dead. No, me not going nowhere, no time soon. So when you not hear this sound, not hear that talk, when you can't go black about it, I ain't going nowhere soon, honey. I am going to be winning souls for the Lord. Me not ask you. Me not going nowhere. I will be a powerhouse for the Lord. So nobody feel like say because I come out here and dash fire and sit in pound. I wanna come and trouble me. I wanna come and trouble me. So don't feel like say because say me get a little heart monitor. A lot of women that love the heart monitor can't even get it because they don't qualified. They don't have no insurance. A lot of women sick right now with all kind of things. At least I'm getting check up. A 1 month then give me if I can imagine me if I wear something for 1 month. You can't imagine how my skin I could look. Me have to find out if me can't change the position, but it can't even change. So me have to go wear this for 1 month. So me have to go find clothes where you cover it up. Yeah, me know my body. Yeah. And through me health freak, to me kind of me not health freak enough to not eat certain things, but I am very much me a woman, me a woman is like as me see something so me run gonna doctor. Uh-huh. So Me now go sit down and me study my body and me know my body. Rock star. So if I am in danger, me know. Say something not right. So if you having palpitation and you having heart and you're feeling uncomfortable like a chest pain, that's why me no walk all of my bag them have aspirin in them. Even my purse. I when me go to night time. I when me go to night time. If me have couple about six in my handbag. Every handbag me have aspirin, me throw them in the side. I throw them right in there. In a my big bag, in a my truck. If some just like tonight, one lady was asking if me have candy. Me I go start walk with candy at church, like my mother. From me know my mother until today, day my mother left church with candy. My mother back full of candy. Me start walk with candy because one lady was asking me for candy today, tonight. But me they have some candy in my bag, but me no, because my sister they give me some candy there. Me see my sister walk with candy too. My minister sister. And she did give me some candy in the bag when me got the funeral. So it look like say me they take it out, but me go start follow my mother and walk with ice cement. My mother buy every bag candy, ice cement, the one there with the honey inside of them, the hall candy, a little peppermint candy. Me go start walk with them now in purse. And do what mother used to do. And if somebody want a candy or whatever, because this lady was asking for a candy, I don't know why, but maybe she diabetic, I don't know. Maybe she was feeling a way, but yeah, so that is what it is. There's a lot of people out here, and I'm going to come out here. Big up to Bishop. Big up to Bishop. He just came back from Africa. Bishop just landed from Africa, and Bishop. I was telling Bishop what I was telling Bishop. I don't remember what I said to Bishop. I said something to Bishop, but Bishop was telling me, said, now listen to no. Now listen to, just do some positive stuff. And just do some positive stuff. Okay, your lady said, your lady is so correct. The